Hello mga ka-chipmunks! Kung mahilig kayo sa dumplings, noodles, at legit na Asian food, samahan nyo kami dito sa Din Tai Fung. Ang Din Tai Fung ay isang sikat na restaurant na nagsimula sa Taiwan at ngayon ay kilala na sa buong mundo. Most famous sila for their Xiaolong Bao or soup dumplings. Pero marami pa silang dishes na talagang worth trying. First up, syempre hindi pwedeng mawala ang kanilang steamed shrimp and pork siomai. Perfect for those who love dumplings with a little more texture and flavor. Careful lang sa first bite. Kung gusto nyo naman ng something saucy and spicy, try the shrimp and pork wontons with the house special spicy sauce. Grabe yung combination ng savory at spicy. Of course, may noodles din. Here's the braised beef noodle soup. Tender yung beef, rich yung broth, and super comforting. Then, we also had the black pepper beef, na super tender talaga. And kung chicken naman ang hanap nyo, try the crispy chicken cutlet with special sauce. Crispy outside, juicy inside. And ang kanilang 3-cup chicken na very saucy at talagang nagustuhan namin. Hindi rin nagpahuli ang chicken wings in shrimp paste, salted egg yolk prawns, crispy shrimp, and chicken spring rolls. Perfect pang-share habang nagkukwentuhan. For something lighter, may stir-fried organic spinach din para balance naman kahit konti. And of course, kailangan natin ng dessert. Ending our meal with the chocolate lava xiaolong bao. Rich, chocolatey, and super satisfying. Nakakatuwa rin ang kakaibang pamamaraan ng pagkain nito. Lahat kami, nagustuhan namin. So overall, kung naghahanap kayo ng place for family bonding, date night, or food trip with friends, definitely give Din Tai Fung a try. Until our next food trip, mga ka-chipmunks. Whee!